Hello, I'm Dr. Yong, and currently I'm working at Astique, the aesthetic clinic, and I have 7 years of experience working in this field. And currently my top two favorite things to do are fillers as well as lasers, as I feel that these have very good results, and we can see almost instant results with fillers. And when we clear up the pigmentation for most patients with lasers, they are usually very happy with the results that we can give them. So some of my patients do ask me about some of the common myths and misconceptions about Botox or fillers. I find that some of the most common questions are that, is it very painful? Will the results last forever? Or if I stop doing the treatments, do I get look a lot worse? In fact, actually doing Botox and fillers here, we find that after applying numbing cream and using our techniques of injections, actually most patients find the treatments very, very comfortable. They hardly feel any pain at all, and most of them walk away very happy. As for whether Botox or filler lasts forever, yes, it's true that in the olden days, some fillers did last forever, but based on current technologies, we've actually moved away from that because those are actually quite dangerous. Nowadays, we've moved on to temporary or reversible fillers, which are much safer, and they usually typically last from anywhere between 6 months up to 12 months. As for Botox, usually it only stays in your system for about 2 to 3 weeks. Thereafter, the effects do persist due to the blocking of the muscular junction by the toxin, and usually results do last from anywhere between 4 months to 6 months. And as for whether or not Botox or filler causes you to look worse when you finish your treatments or when you stop doing treatments, actually this is a misconception, because when you do stop doing treatments at any time, either because you feel like you want to take a break, or you feel like you're going on a holiday and you don't want to do any treatments for the moment, usually actually the treatments don't immediately disappear. In fact, you will slowly, only gradually reverse back to your usual or your original look within about 1 to 2 months after you have stopped the treatment and the effect of the treatment has worn off. There's a lot of information available online, on Google, on Facebook. However, not all the information is 100% accurate, and we are not exactly sure where some of these news outlets get their information from. So it is definitely best if you could come down and talk to me or Dr. Celine for our first-hand information, and definitely we will give you the most factual and most accurate information that we can give you. Secondly, some of the conditions that you do think you have may not actually be true. You may think that you have not enough definition in your face or not enough definition in your chin, but actually your chin is actually long enough or your nose is really very sharp. You may, however, require treatments in other areas which we will not be able to tell you without a face-to-face consult and face-to-face looking at your skin in close detail, and we will be able to give you a more accurate diagnosis of your problem and give you the best treatment that is for your condition.